Buster prize winners, and today they're getting attic insulation installed by Tulsa Energy Control. So let's go check it out. Tell us a little bit about the existing insulation that the Fetterhoffs had in their attic.
When we arrived, they had roughly an R11 insulation sprayed in their attic. They had a hot water tank that was exposed in the attic. We came in and re-insulated the attic up to an R38. You can see by the attic rulers in the attic that we've brought it up to an R38, roughly 13 inches deep throughout the entire attic. We put bats around the hot water closet, so we protected the hot water tank from freezing because all the lines were exposed in the attic. You never want water lines exposed in the attic for the winter time for it to freeze. We have come in and re-insulated the attic. The guys have done their job this morning and have already moved on to their next job.
What's a common problem that you find with attics and insulation?
A lot of attics will have can lights in them that are not covered or not protected, where the insulation blows over top of them and causes can lights to blink on and off, or they're not insulated around at all and it's a big void in an attic. So we put can light covers around each can light and protect the can light itself from overheating and from having a drafty can light coming into the house. There's a lot of voids in the attics that are unprotected. Open electrical boxes, those all need to be protected before you re-insulate an attic.
And that is something that your company can provide?
We provide the can light covers and stuff. Any electrical things would have to be done by an electrician, but the voids or open areas, we install bats or baffles across those, and a lot of the attics aren't vented properly. There's not enough airflow in the attics. You need a proper amount of ventilation in the attic, whether it be soffit vents, eave vents, roof turbines, roof vents. All of those would have to be installed obviously by a framer or a siding company.
What kind of insulation did you blow into their attic today?
Okay, we used Owens Corning fiberglass insulation. It has a melting rate of 1200 degrees. It will not burn. That's one of the pluses of Owens Corning. They guarantee the R factor there if the inches are there, so you don't have a problem with settling on your attic insulation.
I know that something that I had in my own home was I had some electrical work done, and so the electricians came in and pushed down some of the insulation in some areas. Does that lower the overall R value of my attic insulation?
It does. If you've had someone in your attic making tracks, it's always best to have it fluffed back up. I try to tell the electricians whenever I see them on a job site to rake it out of the way and not just step on it and smash it, but if they'll rake it out of the way and then rake it back over their track, it doesn't hurt it as much. But overall attic, you know, just a few footprints here and there is not going to hurt, but if they lay boards down and completely compress it, yes, it does affect your overall rating of your attic.